A smoke ring is a pink layer just beneath the surface of smoked meat, indicating that the meat has been properly cooked in a low-smoke environment. This phenomenon is due to the reaction between nitrogen dioxide from the smoke and myoglobin in the meat, creating a visually appealing and flavorful layer. The presence of a smoke ring enhances the aesthetics of barbecue dishes, making them more enticing. Additionally, it signifies a well-executed smoking process, which can contribute to a richer flavor profile, making it a coveted feature among barbecue enthusiasts and pitmasters alike. Achieving the perfect smoke ring starts with selecting the right type of meat. Cuts that are well marbled, like brisket or pork shoulder, are ideal because their fat content helps retain moisture during the smoking process, allowing for better absorption of smoke. Likewise, bone-in cuts tend to yield better smoke rings as the bones assist in heat distribution. Avoid leaner cuts like chicken breasts, as they often lack the fat needed for optimal smoke absorption. By focusing on these factors, you can significantly increase your chances of creating that desirable smoke ring in your barbecue dishes. The formation of a smoke ring is heavily influenced by the cooking temperature and the quality of smoke. Low and slow cooking methods, typically around 225 to 250 degrees Fahrenheit, are essential for allowing the meat to fully absorb smoke without drying out. Smoking meat at these temperatures ensures that the nitrogen dioxide produced by the combustion of wood combines effectively with myoglobin in the meat, leading to a pronounced smoke ring. Additionally, clean and flavorful smoke, rather than thick or acrid smoke, is crucial as it enhances both the appearance and taste of the final product. Seasoning and preparation are critical factors in achieving a perfect smoke ring. Applying a good rub or marinade not only enhances the flavor of the meat, but also aids in smoke absorption. A dry rub containing salt and sugar creates a crust that locks in moisture, allowing for optimal smoking. When using marinades, choose acidic components, like vinegar or citrus, to break down the meat fibers, improving tenderness and flavor. Additionally, letting the meat sit with the seasoning for several hours or even overnight maximizes flavor penetrance and promotes better smoke ring formation during the smoking process. To achieve consistent smoke rings, it's vital to maintain stability in both temperature and smoke quality. Using a reliable smoker with accurate temperature controls can significantly aid in this process. Avoid common mistakes, such as opening the smoker too frequently, as this can cause temperature fluctuations and diminish the smoke flavor. Additionally, be mindful of the type of wood used. Fruit woods like apple or cherry provide a milder flavor that enhances smoke ring formation. Lastly, consistently applying your rub or marinade techniques can further ensure that you achieve that perfect smoke ring every time you cook.